Yesterday, CDC reported 14,875 new cases of COVID-19. Our 7-day average is about 12,600 cases per day. And while this is a 95% decrease, lower from our peak in early January, it does also reflect a 10% increase in the 7-day average from last week. The 7-day average of hospital admissions is about 1,822 per day, a decrease of about 1% from the prior 7-day period. And the 7-day average of daily deaths was about 257. Looking across the country, we have made incredible progress towards ending the pandemic. We continue to see overall low numbers of cases, hospitalizations, and deaths. However, looking state by state and county by county, it is clear that communities where people remain unvaccinated are communities that remain vulnerable. This is all true as we monitor the continued spread of the hypertransmissible Delta variant. The Delta variant is predicted to be the second most prevalent variant in the United States, and I expect that in the coming weeks, it will eclipse the Alpha variant. An estimated 25% of all reported SARS-CoV-2 sequences nationwide are the Delta variant. And in some regions of the country, nearly 1 in 2 sequences is the Delta variant. There are communities that are vulnerable and where we are now seeing surges in cases and indeed also hospitalizations due to what could be the spread of the Delta variant and low vaccination rates in these communities. Currently, approximately 1,000 counties in the United States have vaccination coverage of less than 30%. These communities, primarily in the Southeast and Midwest, are our most vulnerable. In some of these areas, we are already seeing increasing rates of disease. As the Delta variant continues to spread across the country, we expect to see increased transmissions in these communities unless we can vaccinate more people now. As you will hear from Dr. Fauci shortly, our authorized vaccines provide protection against the circulating variants in this country, including Delta. Vaccination is how we protect these individuals, families, and communities and prevent severe disease, hospitalizations, and deaths from COVID-19. Preliminary data from a collection of states over the last 6 months suggest 99.5% of deaths from COVID-19 in these states have occurred in unvaccinated people. Any suffering or death from COVID-19 is tragic. With vaccines available across the country, the suffering and loss we are now seeing is nearly entirely avoidable. COVID-19s are available and free for everyone aged 12 and up, and I encourage everyone who has not been vaccinated, especially those in these vulnerable communities with low vaccine coverage, to roll up their sleeves and get vaccinated. As we prepare to celebrate Independence Day, I want to remind those who remain unvaccinated to protect themselves by wearing a mask and avoiding crowds to prevent transmission and illness. If you have symptoms of COVID-19, please get tested. And of course, please get vaccinated in one of the many places near you as soon as you can. Please enjoy a safe, family and friend-filled holiday weekend.
Hey, NBC News viewers, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.